Two already.
Thank you.
No, I was told they were worse.
I'm putting too little.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I never went any lower. I went to many Hawaiian stores to walk around.
Okay, I'm not piping straight.
That's not what you say.
It's wonderful, man.
Ours looks
It's
very
good.
nice.
It's good? Okay, that's good. That's good.
Great job.
Almost like all
There we
looks the
go.
same, you know. I don't know which one is mine now.
Yours is this one.
Look like they're not holding it.
Because I did not add belly like on the top.
Oh, okay.
So it's fine.
It'll be
No,
fine,
no.
Annette.
This looks it.
A-N-N.
Somebody just wants to
N.
skip his desert, right?
E-T-T-E.
Who is this?
And not us. We didn't take them yet.
Who is this?
And then this.
I agree. Probably I agree. My husband probably.
Doesn't
So
like
I think dessert players sometimes probably right.
All right.
Okay.
I think they're ready.
Yeah, no, she's ready.
You did it?
I just ordered a white.
I'm gonna take.
So they,
Oh, no
Somebody
problem.
gets it on their
Apron, their white apron. Thank you so much. Okay.
This is where I shine.
take off the coat.
They don't shine
This
in
part?
Yes.
Oh, cleaning.
You can
Cleaning.
drop.
Either one.
Oh, okay, I'll take a little bit of it.
Yeah, you can drop the gloves.
Not
Yes.
gonna look so pretty, I don't think.
I'm gonna be fancy. Linda, L-I-N-D-A. You're too tall. You don't fit in the frame.
No, just do the glass.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay, there you go.
Looks great.
Oh, you don't wanna try?
In your opinion?
Cheryl, C-H-E-R-Y-L.
Thank you.
Stuff? I get it. Oh, Johnny's not here. It's getting to the bottom, we got to push it down. One more bell,
This is for the salsa.
You told me only do one, right? So
That's
is that
fine.
enough?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I put a little chunk on mine.
This one? Yeah. Okay. You insist, if you insist.
You're gonna be famous now, you know.
And Steve.
So what are you cooking, sir? What are you making?
First entree.
Okay, and what is that?
Mara.
Marmite dip was. Okay, and what is that dish actually?
It is a fish-based fish stew, creamy fish stew.
Oh wow! And what are you doing right now?
I am sautéing onions, leeks, and celery until they're golden brown.
And then what are you going to do after that?
I'm not going to do anything, but the chef will add Chardonnay.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so are you having a good time so far?
Yes, I am.
Very good, very good, very good. And I see your friends are also having a good time.
It sounds like it.
All right. Are you all excited about the first dish? Okay. All
I
right.
see it's starting to get a little golden brown here.
Okay, great. All right. So have fun, enjoy everyone.